Okay, so I'm gonna go over how to clean instruments manually first. So I have my car malts here, curved car malts, and right out of surgery, you should clean them quickly. So before the blood and tissue dries on there. We at this clinic, we first rinse them off with water, just to get anything loose off. And then I scrub. I have two brushes, a stainless steel wire brush and just kind of a rough plastic brush. I can use both. I like to use my wire brush to get all the gunk out of there. Just kind of scrub it, get everything out. Blood will stain them in the autoclave, so you just have to make sure you get everything out. We have a stain remover, so if it happened to have some on there, you just kind of have it wet, dip it in there, and scrub it. We can take the cleaner out of the ultrasonic. If not, we have a solution that we mix up and just get it real good and scrubbed and clean. Hardly ever do we just manually clean them. So you can get in here and get all your things. You can even get in here in case their fingers got in there. Rinse it again. I know the other clinic I go to, they like you to let it dry before you lubricate it. But we here rinse them and then we lubricate them right away. And you kind of work the lube in there. And I'm just dipping it in. And you can let it sit. Some places let it sit in there. But we just dip it in there, work it in, and then I lay it out to dry. And I lay them out open as well, just so they can dry good, even though they're like lubricated. And then, so that is how you manually clean them. Like I said, we don't do it often here. We manually clean them if we got a lot of stuff on there. Other than that, so I got some Kelly's here, curved car malts, but fresh out of surgery, blood still on there, tissue still on there. We rinse them, rinse it all off just so our ultrasonic doesn't get super dirty in there. So I rinse it off, make sure it is not locked. Drop it in the ultrasonic with it open. And we set ours to 15 minutes. I'm not really gonna clean it yet because I got the rest of the pack to clean. So I do that, and then I lay them all out open to dry. And ours are banded, so I know what pack they go to. So I just leave them out like that. Other than that, that is that. Just make sure you lubricate. So when the ultrasonic's done, it'll go off in 15 minutes. We lift up the tray, lift up the rack, and let it dry a little bit, and then dip it in the milk, the lubrication, lay it out to dry. And that is how you clean surgery instruments.